silence procedure provides you and member states with a time, typically 3 days.
Managing a news channel used to be difficult and costly. However, now with AI technology, things can be done easily. In the video today, I'll teach you the step-by-step process of how to create a news channel using AI. So, let's get started without any more waiting. To begin, we'll make a new YouTube channel. If you already have a channel or know how to make one, you can still watch this video. Alright, let's begin with step number 1. Open up your web browser and sign into YouTube using a Google account. After that, click on the little picture icon right here. Then choose Create a Channel. Now, we need to come up with a name for our channel. If you already have a name in mind, you can use that. But this time, I'll use ChatGPT for a special name idea. I am giving prompt as I am going to create a new news channel. Please suggest some name for my channel. Sure, ChatGPT provided a few suggestions. However, those names are a bit long. Now, I'll ask for a short name with just 2 words. GPT has given some name options again. Even though these names are also quite long, I do appreciate this particular name. I will take only Insight Wave and avoid the news. Alright, now paste the name into YouTube and click on the Create button. That's it, our channel has been successfully created. Next, we'll make our channel look more professional. Click on Customization here, and then select Basic Info. This is our channel's name, and here's our username. You can change the username to make it simpler. Now, let's add a good description to our channel. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a channel description. I'm giving a prompt. My channel name is Insight Wave. Please write a slogan and YouTube description for this channel. GPT has generated a description with a slogan. First, copy the description and paste it onto your YouTube channel. Then, click the Publish button to make it visible. Next, you should upload a logo and a banner for your channel. Remember, these steps will help your YouTube channel look great and ready to share your news. Now, let's move on to uploading the logo and channel banner. For creating a logo and banner, I'll use Canva as an example. You can use any platform you prefer. Here's how to create a logo and banner using Canva. Log into your Canva account. Search for logo and click on blank. Explore the various logo templates available on the logo creator page. Since you're creating a news channel, search for news logo in the search bar. Select a design you like and customize it according to your preferences. After editing, download the logo and return to YouTube. Upload your logo. Once your logo is uploaded, you can move on to creating the channel banner. Go back to the Canva homepage and search for YouTube banner. Look for News YouTube channel banner templates. Choose a banner design that suits your style and news channel theme. Customize the banner to match your preferences. Download the customized banner image. Once you have the banner image downloaded, put it up on your YouTube channel. When you have the logo and banner all set, the last thing to do is upload the watermark for your videos. Just keep in mind, this whole process might change a bit depending on the design and creation platform you're using. We need to upload the logo image once more. Once you're done with all the steps, click on the Publish button. Okay, now that our channel is set up, the next step is to start creating news content. The question is, how can we gather news? Well, The answer is by using Google News. Simply go to Google News and choose an interesting news story that you can use for your video content. Once you've chosen the news story, copy it into a document file. Great! Now that you have your news content ready, let's move on to creating a news presenter. To make a news presenter, we'll use a fantastic AI tool called Hygiene. I'll make sure to include the link in the description. When you go to the Hygiene website, click on the Try Hygiene for free option. Then, tap on the Sign In button and make an account using your email. Once your account is set up, locate the Start with an Avatar option and choose it. You'll see a variety of over 100 avatars that look like real humans. Pick one avatar that you like. You can also choose a color palette, and for the background, select the color green. Editing the avatar is an option too. You can change their clothes and even swap out the face. You can even upload your own face if you want. Once you're done editing, hit the Save as New button. Then, pick your edited avatar and click on Create Video. Now, head back to the document file and copy the first paragraph of your news story. Afterwards, if necessary, you can switch the voice model. However, this step isn't crucial. Now, click the Submit button. Now, take a break and enjoy a cup of tea or coffee as it will take some time. Alright, your video is now complete. Let's go ahead and play it. It looks fantastic. You can turn off the captions since we don't need them. Now go ahead and download the video. This was the first part of our video. Moving forward, we need more parts for our video. However, the free version of Hygiene only offers 1 credit. If you're considering their subscription, you can skip the next part and continue from 8 minutes and 30 seconds. If you'd like to proceed, in the next step, we will use Levo.ai to create a voiceover. Once you've signed up for an account, choose New Project and then select VoiceOver. Clear out any previous blocks you see. After that, click on Spokesperson and pick a voice model. You'll find a wide variety of voice models available in different languages and accents. Choose the one that suits your preference. Certainly, here's how you proceed. Copy the news article from the document file. Paste the news article into Levo.ai. Select all the blocks containing the text and click the Generate button. Once the voice generation process is complete, export audio from each block. Great! Your voiceover is now ready. In the next step, we'll use another AI tool to create lip sync for the audio clips. This tool is based on open source code and will run it using Google Colab. You'll find the link to this tool in the description. This tool is called Wave 2 Lip AI. To link the server with Google Colab, click the Connect button here. After that, proceed to step 1 and click the Play button. Then, click Run Anyway. Please note setting up your server might take a bit of time. Now, for the next step, which involves YouTube video lip sync, you can skip it since we'll use our own video. So, continue scrolling down. We'll use this option here. Click on the Step to Play button. And most importantly, avoid making any changes anywhere. Alright, hit the Play button. Next, upload the video file that was created by Hagen. Once the video is uploaded, scroll down to Step 3. In this step, we'll upload the voiceover that was generated by Levo.ai. Please remember that this particular tool can only handle lip sync for 1 minute at a time. Important note, make sure not to upload audio files longer than 1 minute. After you've uploaded the audio, move to step 4 and hit the play button. Now, this AI tool will take some time to create the lip sync. We'll speed up this part. Alright, our video is now prepared. Just click on the three-dot menu and download it to your device. Once you have the video downloaded, go back up to step 2. In step 2, once again, click the play button, upload the second audio clip, and then scroll down to step 4. Click on the run button and wait for a while. When the processing is done, go ahead and download the second video. Repeat the same procedure with the remaining audio clips and generate videos using each of the audio clips. Once you've generated videos with all the audio clips, it's time to enhance the appeal of our news video by creating a suitable backdrop or news environment. You can obtain newsroom stock footage from various websites. I've already downloaded it. Now, with the newsroom footage in hand, let's move on to editing the video clips to create a polished news video. Any video editing software of your choice will do. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut, which is very user-friendly and a free great option for beginners. Sure, let's proceed step by step. Open your video editing software. Import all the downloaded footage into the media folder. Start by placing the intro scene on the timeline. Next, add the newsroom background. Place the first video clip on the timeline, aligned with the beginning of the news background. Continue adding the rest of the video clips in order. Now, I'll speed up this process for you. Alright, the editing is now done. Now, let's export the video. Fantastic job, you've successfully crafted your news video. Now, it's time to move on to the final step, uploading the video to your newly created YouTube channel. Simply click the Create button and then choose your video file for upload. Give your video a fitting title and then create an attention-grabbing thumbnail to go along with it. Once you're done with these steps, publish the video as public.
procedure provides UN member states with a time, typically 3 days, to raise objections on draft UN resolutions or decisions and allows for explanations of their positions. If the silence procedure is not broken, it is expected the declaration will be formally adopted at the HLM on TB on Friday, 22 and September. If the silence procedure is broken, we understand further negotiations will take place, since the declaration is required to have full consensus among all UN member states. The political declaration on TB can be viewed here along with the accompanying announcement letter from the HLM co-facilitators. The Stop TB Partnership, working with our partners, are currently reviewing the declaration and will share a position statement shortly. We would like to convey our congratulations to the high-level meeting co-facilitators, E. Mr. Krzysztof Szkazerski, Permanent Representative of the Republic of Poland to the United Nations, and A. Mr. Bakhtiyor Ibragimov, Permanent Representative of Uzbekistan to the United Nations, and their teams, and recognize their leadership and commitment towards this important milestone.
Check out another amazing video of ours where we show you how to create an animated talking AI avatar for free. Click on the right to watch it. I hope you'll enjoy this one as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy AI creating. Happy AI journey.